Good afternoon, everyone. My report is Chapter 8, Basic Baking, Grain, and Pasta. Lesson 1. Classification of major ingredients in baking. Number 1, flour. This provides the structure of the product. That is why it is considered as a primary ingredient with grain procedure and kind of flour commonly used in baking. Ito po yung yung flour. Siya po yung primary ingredients na paggawa ng tinapay. Types of flour. According to the Culinary Institute of the America, De Los Reyes and Amero 2006. Bread flour. This is hard wet flour and also known as cottage flour. This is used for bread and salt rolls in protein content in range from 11 to 13%. Ito po yung example ng bread flour. Tapos, all-purpose flour. This is mixture of hard and soft wet flour, melted from the endosperm of wet kernel. Thus, protein content in this flour can range from 8 to 12%. Ito po isang picture ng all-purpose flour. Tapos, cake flour. This is soft wet flour with a protein content ranging from 6 to 9%. This is good for baking cake and cookies. Ito po yung cake flour. Ito po yung ginagamit sa paggawa ng cookies and cakes. Tapos, flour. This is hard wet flour with a color darker than bread and high protein from and commonly used in rye bread. Its protein content range from 30 to 15%. Ito po yung itsura ng flour pero parang darker po ng konti sa akin. Different. Ano pa? Yung cake flour kasi yung ginagawa ng parang yung pino tapos itong yung flour pero parang siyang darker than the may class po. Tapos yung durum flour. This is made from that durum with kernels. It is hard wet flour used in the bread making with a protein content range from 12 to 14%. Yung yung durum flour, kapag medyo parang nagpa-brown siya, tapos medyo siya, mas malalaki yung bote niya kaysa sa other ng Tapos, high gluten flour. This is made from the entire sperm and used for vagina and hard rolls. Its protein content in typical 13% and 14%. Ito yung ginagawa sa hard roll natin. Parang, yung madalas ginagamit po na rin nakat yung all-purpose flour. Siya yung pabunting na ginagamit sa paggawa ng tinapay or ano bang ori ng mga tinapay. Yung pastry flour po, this use is for white crust, dough, muffin, and biscuit, and well as pastry. Ito yung pastry flour yung ginagamit sa paggawa ng mga cookies, muffin, mga muffin and biscuit. Tapos, wala siyang pangalan dito. Meron dito sa akin. Ito kat yung announce. Si Molina. Ito yung pangalan. Si Molina. more porcelain ground chloride with lard. Commonly used in the pasta making. Ito po yung ginagamit sa pag-produce ng pasta. Tapos medyo malalaki ito yung bottle niya compared to the other arena. Whole wheat flour. This is a hard wheat flour melted from that entire wheat kernel, including the bran and germs. Due to the high content flour, liquid fats and germs. This kind of flour can easily become unsafe from protein range 14 to 16%. Di ba po nakikita po natin difference ng marina? Ito po yung with cream flour, parang siyang pong basa tapos medyo nagba-brown na po yung arena.
Saan gawa yun?
Ito po yung number 2 po yan yung liquids. Mousses and textures of the bacon. Product and attributes on liquid. This is important in hydrating protein. Third, and leavening agents in baking product is also leavened by liquid because it is to steam and expand during the baking process. Kind of liquid. Agents. Number 1 po is milk and cream. This is most commonly milk refers to that most recipe and the pressed whole milk, evaporated milk in that kind of milk, where 60% of water content has been removed when use is liquid. This kind of diluted with equal amount of water. Ito po yung picture na sample na milk and cream.
Gusto daw ni hindi niya masukso.
Ba't wala naman?
Hindi niya makapili.
Lemon juice.
Yung number, yung liquid juice lang po yun.
Ano?
Isa lang kanta.
Meron dito ba?
Juice?
Juice kasi. Fresh fruit juice are usually used in baking this and to flavor and colors and the best juice in acidity. Peach, baking sodas, and leavening agents. Yung mostly nagagamit na juice for making na tinapay po yung lemon juice po para ibibigay ng ibang flavors sa ito. Tapos water po. This is water. It's considered as a universal solvent and has a following attributes: gluten forms in the forms of water. Second, it serves as a solvent and the dispersant agent from salt, yet, and water. Number 3, it is necessary for fermentation and reproduction. Number 4, it is responsible for the consistency of red meat. And lastly, 5, the temperature of the water can